Traders are in suspense ahead of the events of crucial importance which are due later this week. Let's watch a video calendar on InstaForex TV channel to get to know these events. The European Central Bank is holding its policy meeting on Thursday. The outcome is easy to predict as the ECB is widely expected to leave the key interest rate unchanged, so traders will focus on the rhetoric of the regulator. They are mostly interested to find out the ECB's assessment of the current economic conditions and its forecast amid escalating trade wars. Experts share the viewpoint that the monetary authorities will again remind investors of stimulus measures needed for the Eurozone's economy. If so, traders will rush to sell the euro. Besides, later today, investors await a report on the US foreign trade. To the great disappointment of Donald Trump, analysts foresee trade balance deficit at the same level. Moreover, experts do not rule out a wider trade deficit in April. Such news is certainly bearish for the US dollar. The situation could change next day. On Friday, the US Labor Department is due to release non-farm payrolls for May. Yesterday, dollar bulls were discouraged by the ADP National Employment Report. However, forecasts for the official data are rather positive. Experts do not foresee a big gain in employment in the United States private and public sectors. The US economy is expected to have added just 118,000 new jobs. Looking back, analysts predicted 183,000 new jobs in the previous months, but the actual employment growth was much stronger. So the actual figures could be much better again. In a separate report, a positive change in average wages could cheer up dollar bulls. Investors assume US wages to have risen to 3.3% in annual terms through a 0.3% gain month on month. In this case, traders will finish the week with a positive sentiment on the US dollar. Apart from the above-mentioned events, it would be a good idea to take notice of the following data. Today, investors are going to observe data on Canada's trade balance and the IVPMI. Early today and tomorrow, Bank of Japan Governor Haruhiko Kuroda will make his comments on digital technologies. His speech will hardly change market sentiment on Forex. Market-moving reports will come from Germany and Canada. Today, Germany will report on factory orders, and tomorrow Canada will release a series of data on its labor market. You are watching Forex Trader Calendar on InstaForex TV channel with me, Kate Stichina. We wish you profitable deals.